In this video, we're going to learn how to set up the SwiftBOT on the xt.com exchange. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's jump straight right in. Once you're logged in into the Swift Indicator website, go to the bot settings and scroll until you find the xt.com exchange. Open instructions. Just follow the simple steps one by one. First, go to xt.com, create an API. Once you're there, just enter the alias name as SwiftBOT or any name by your choice. On the whitelist IP, just copy the IP and paste it here. Select the authority as trade and then complete the authentication challenge. Once the keys are generated, just copy the public key and the secret key. Alright, now you're ready to test. Navigate to derivatives on the USDT pair and go to select the coin that you want to test. By default, the BTC is selected, so you can just hit execute trade and that will open and close trade of size 1 automatically for you on your exchange. If you see the trade happening here, that means everything is fine and properly set up. You can just hit execute the trade. And after a few seconds, you see the trade being taken here. You see the size of the trade and the trade is closed. And the bot will give you the feedback that the bot is ready to use. So now you can just close this. And now your bot is ready to trade. So you can activate the bot and happy trading and happy profits. Thank you for watching.